Welcome to Canara Bank New User Net Banking Registration Tutorial. Open canarabank.com in your web browser, then click on Net Banking from the top right menu bar. Click on New User Registration to initiate your registration process. Read through the terms and conditions, then click on I agree to continue. Enter the required details, then click on Send OTP to continue. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number linked to your bank account, then click on Submit. Congratulations, your net banking is activated successfully. You are now ready to explore online banking with Canara Bank.